Good morning, and thank you very much, President, for the opportunity. Greetings to members of the judiciary, members of the legal fraternity, and all protocol observed. So, my name is Simukele Khoza. I am the head of communications and marketing at the Companies Tribunal. It is indeed our honor to be part of this prestigious gathering of Black excellence today, called the Black Lawyers Association Annual General Meeting. What led to be back for the second time, we're excited to share insights on the mandate of the Companies Tribunal. I must say that for those structures who will be hosting a similar event in the near future in different provinces, we would like to request an opportunity that you actually engage with us to be part of your events. So the Companies Tribunal is actually an alternative to courts. It resolves company disputes speedily for free. So it is important to know this as members of the Black Lawyers Association, considering that it promotes access to justice, which aligns with the values of equality and fairness that the Black Lawyers Association embodies. Then the question would be, where do we find ourselves in terms of the tribunal? So Section 34 of the Constitution stipulates that everyone has the right to have their disputes resolved by law before a court or a tribunal. This section led to the establishment of a lot of other tribunals in the country. I'm not mandated to talk to those, I'll just focus on the Companies Tribunal. As it is, the Companies Tribunal is an entity of the Department of Trade, Industry and Competition. It is established in terms of Section 193. It is mandated to adjudicate applications made in terms of the Act. That will be in the main adjudication of company disputes, as well as resolving them through ADR, which is going to be conciliation, mediation, and arbitration. So, as it is, we have jurisdiction throughout the Republic of South Africa. The question is, who are members of the tribunal and who appoints them? We have members of the tribunal who are actually appointed by the Minister of Trade, Industry and Competition. So the current minister is deemed to be the person that appointed members of the tribunal. Therefore, as members of the legal fraternity, those that are actually interested in the space of company law, you should be aware that the current term of members will be lapsing as at the end of 2027. Then you can start to position yourself so that you can actually join us and serve as a panel of tribunal members. So currently we are led by Judge Dennis Davis. He's assisted by 10 other members who are all experts in company law, and they are also accredited mediators. The question is, how do we execute our functions? So, as it is, the Companies Tribunal is independent. It's subject to the law, so it's subject to the Constitution and law. Therefore, we exercise our functions in a manner that is fair, without fear, favor, or prejudice, and in a transparent manner. The question is, how can the Companies Tribunal support the legal community and promote justice? So we definitely have numerous opportunities available for legal practitioners. So these are some of the things that I will actually highlight so that you can actually see the broader picture as it is. So the Companies Tribunal provides speedy resolution of company disputes. This means that if you bring an application as a legal practitioner, you don't have to pay at the Companies Tribunal, but you can actually charge your client. This is a way of promoting access to justice. And as it is, considering that court systems take long, in our case, within 3 months, if you have filed all the documents, you are able to get a decision from the tribunal. If you are not satisfied, you've got recourse, meaning that you can take the decision of the tribunal to the High Court for review. So, as it is, the tribunal streamlined procedures and specialized focus on company law matters, ensuring efficient resolution of disputes. It's just a matter of emphasis. The other thing is the issue of alternative to courts. We are established to promote access to justice. You can imagine how difficult it is to go through the courts in terms of the amount of time and how expensive it is. Then, as an alternative to courts, we make it easy for an ordinary person to access our services. I would like to actually quickly take a moment and highlight maybe 1 or 2 applications. I'm pleased to say that last year, when we actually invited, we make reference to an application that was brought to us as the Companies Tribunal. So someone reminded me this morning that we made a reference to a dispute called a name dispute. So in that name dispute, I then said that there was an application that we received from Deutsche and Gabbana. So after they realized that there was another company registered in South Africa as Deutsche and Gabbana Umtata, you would confirm with me there. So colleagues, this is actually very important for you to know. And on the basis of this, I want to highlight that these are realities of the challenges that when someone runs a business can be faced with very easily. So I would like to take a moment and request that as it is, I brought brochures which I felt outside, we've put a table outside where you can be able to access more information about the Companies Tribunal. You will see that there's a QR code. When you click, it takes you to our website. But other than that, we're active on social media. So we would like to also request that you actually follow us on social media, whether it's Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube, where you can get more information about the Companies Tribunal services. So we want you to use our services because it will actually assist you to build reputation for your own company as a legal practitioner. Secondly, it will actually provide opportunities for you to network with other role players and legal practitioners as it is. So I want to say that this space of company law presents what we call a lucrative career opportunity. I can imagine that as we sit around the table here, we have a lot of people that could be interested in company law. From now onwards, I would urge you to take the opportunity to go and visit our website, to visit our social media platforms, so that you can really see what we're actually doing, and that will actually help you to begin to position yourself as a TCR. Yeah. So overall, I must say that the Companies Tribunal offers a unique opportunity for legal practitioners to provide cost-effective, efficient, and specialized service to their clients while also building their professional and reputational network. We therefore request that you visit our website as a matter of emphasis. Lastly, I think without going to a lot of further details, I want to request that you take advantage of this mechanism of resolving company disputes so that you can make sure that your clients have true access to justice. And we thank you very much.